Aprilia Tuono 660 factory popular 2024 motorcycles. Aprilia, the renowned Italian motorcycle manufacturer, has once again pushed the boundaries of naked sport bike performance with the launch of the 2024 Tuono 660 factory. Building upon the success of the Tuono 660, the factory variant takes the exhilarating riding experience to new heights, combining race-bred performance with premium features and exclusive styling. At the heart of the 2024 Tuono 660 factory beats a potent 660 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, meticulously tuned to deliver exhilarating performance and agile handling. With a peak output of 95 horsepower, the engine propels the Tuono 660 factory with ferocious acceleration, while advanced electronics, including ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensure smooth power delivery and optimal performance in various riding conditions. Aprilia's advanced APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, system further enhances the bike's dynamic capabilities, offering riders precise control over throttle response, traction, and wheelie control. The design of the 2024 Tuono 660 factory reflects its racing heritage and commitment to excellence, with aggressive lines, premium finishes, and exclusive features that set it apart from the competition. The motorcycle features a sleek and muscular silhouette, with aerodynamic bodywork, carbon fiber accents, and a distinctive twin headlight setup that give it a dynamic and aggressive stance. The Tuono 660 factory's lightweight aluminum frame, Öhlins suspension, and Brembo braking system provide riders with exceptional agility and control, allowing them to carve through corners with precision and confidence. Rider comfort and ergonomics are prioritized in the design of the Tuono 660 factory, ensuring that riders can fully exploit its performance potential while remaining comfortable and in control. The motorcycle features a sporty riding position, with adjustable clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs that promote a dynamic and engaged posture. The ergonomically sculpted seat offers ample support and padding, allowing riders to tackle long rides with ease and confidence. In addition to its blistering performance and exclusive styling, the 2024 Tuono 660 factory is equipped with a host of advanced features and technologies to enhance convenience, safety, and connectivity on the road. The motorcycle features Aprilia's latest generation of rider assistance systems, including cornering ABS, wheelie control, and cruise control, to ensure maximum stability and confidence in all riding conditions. The Tuono 660 factory also includes advanced connectivity features, allowing riders to seamlessly integrate their smartphone with the bike's onboard systems for navigation, music streaming, and smartphone notifications. The 2024 Tuono 660 factory represents the pinnacle of naked sport bike performance and style, offering riders an unmatched combination of power, precision, and Italian craftsmanship, said an Aprilia spokesperson. With its race-bred performance, premium features, and exclusive styling, the Tuono 660 factory reaffirms Aprilia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design and engineering. The release of the 2024 Tuono 660 factory has sparked excitement and anticipation among motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide, who eagerly await the opportunity to experience its unrivaled performance and exclusivity firsthand. With its dynamic performance, premium features, and exclusive styling, the Tuono 660 factory is poised to become a sought-after addition to Aprilia's legendary lineup of high-performance motorcycles.